Assalamu alaikum viewers, you are watching YouTube channel Ashraf Botanical Garden. We have no time to stand and stare. This is a very famous verse and it clearly depicts that nowadays the life has become so busy that we have no time to observe the nature. But through this channel we are going to inculcate love of nature in you. With the passage of time you'll see that how important it is to be, because we are a part of nature, and plants are so important, so essential for our life, that our own existence, our very existence totally depends upon the plants. And through this channel we are going to promote different types of plants, that how you are going to introduce these plants in your gardens, in your homes, even in your balconies. You may have some vines or climbers or creepers at your garden in a very limited space. So keep on watching this channel and you will be enriched with the love of nature. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and push the bell button.